Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a very simple yet delicious sandwich recipe. Now this is perfect for a nice evening snack or a light meal. I'm sure your kids will love it. So we're going to make the corn mayo sandwiches and I'm going to show you how to make it two ways. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the corn mayo sandwich, first I'm going to make the filling. To a pan, add about 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the pan is heated, add 1 large onion finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of garlic finely chopped, sauteed for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, I am adding half cup of finely chopped red and green capsicum. Just mix it in. After about a minute, next I add about 1.5 cups of boiled sweet corn. Just mix it all in. After about 2 to 3 minutes, I am going to season it. Add about half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning. Now if you don't have Italian seasoning, don't worry about it. You can just season it with some salt and pepper. So now the filling for the sandwich is done. Cool it completely. So the mixture has cooled down completely. I'm going to add some chopped coriander leaves. So just mix that in. So I've added about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. You can use either egg or eggless mayonnaise. You can adjust the quantity of mayonnaise depending on the mixture you have made. So the corn mayo filling is done. Keep this aside. Now we're going to start making the sandwiches. First, cut off the edges of the bread on all sides. Place a little bit of the corn mayo filling on one slice. Just spread it out evenly. Place the other slice on top and cut it into half or quarters. So there you go, here are these nice, delicious, fresh corn mayo sandwiches. So I have not toasted these, but these can be enjoyed as it is. It makes for a perfect evening snack. You can enjoy it with some nice juice by the side. Next, I'm going to make the grilled sandwich. Place the corn mayo filling on one slice. Spread it out evenly. Place a slice of cheese on top. Close it with the other slice of bread. Heat a grill pan, or you can just use a regular pan if you don't have a grill pan. Add a little butter, just spread it out. Place the prepared sandwich on the grill pan. So just add a little bit of butter on the sides of the bread. Spread some butter on top of the sandwich. You can toast it for about 3 to 4 minutes on low flame. So once it's grilled on one side, flip it to the other side and toast it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once the sandwich is toasted on both sides, remove from the grill pan and serve it immediately nice and hot. You can see the cheese is melted. It looks absolutely gorgeous. So here is this absolutely delicious and cheesy corn mayo sandwich. It makes for a perfect evening snack or a light meal, like I said. And it also makes for a great lunchbox recipe. So we've made these delicious corn mayo sandwiches two ways. So you can try whichever you like and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now. So you can place your orders on 21frames.in.